Hello friends, welcome to Cooking My Passion. Let's make a sweet that is made for Holi and Diwali, that is gujia. So for that you'll be needing 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee, plain water to knead the dough, 1 cup of khoya. If you want to learn how to make this at home, click on the link below. 1 cup of desiccated coconut. You can also use fresh or frozen coconut. In that case, you'll have to dry roast the coconut for a few minutes. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. A little less than a cup of sugar. Some raisins. You'll also be needing some oil for frying. We'll start by making the dough first. Take all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add ghee to it and mix it nicely. You need to break all the lumps. Now add water little by little and make a dough of medium consistency. The dough should not be very tight nor very soft. Once done, cover it with a wet cloth and keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's start preparing the filling. In a pan, add khoya and roast it for a few minutes on a low flame. The khoya is roasted, transfer it in a bowl and let it cool completely. Khoya is cool now. Add desiccated coconut, raisins and sugar. Sugar you can put according to your taste. Now mix it very nicely and break all the lumps in the mixture. Add cardamom powder to it and again mix it. The filling is also ready. Now let's start making the gujiyas. See, the dough has been resting for 20 minutes and it's perfect now. Now you just have to roll it like this and then cut small pieces. You can keep the remaining pieces covered with a damp cloth so they don't dry up. Now let's start rolling the gujia. It should not be very thin nor very thick. Now place the filling in the center and apply water on the sides. It will act as a glue. Now seal the edges. Close it very nicely because you don't want the filling to come out at any point of time when you are frying the gujiyas. Now I am cutting the excess maida with the help of this cutter. You can also use a knife for it, or if you want you can omit this step. Now with the help of this fork, just make a pattern like this. So this is the first one. Now for the second one also we'll do the same. Put the filling, apply some water and now close the edges. Just pinch it nicely and make sure there's no gap. Now what you have to do is, you have to just take this tip and twist it inside and pinch the other end. Twist it inside and pinch the other end. When you reach the end, what you have to do is you can just pinch the excess maida and use this later again for rolling the gujia. Now you just have to cover the tip like this. See what a pretty shape we have got, and it was so easy. Now you can roll all the gujiyas like this, but be sure to cover it with a cloth, otherwise they'll dry up. Now let's start frying the gujiyas. Remember, the oil should be medium hot, it should not be very hot. Keep rotating the gujiyas and make sure they cook from both the sides. These ones have got a very nice light golden brown crust on the top. So this is what we are looking for. Now you can take them out on a paper towel and continue frying the others. Once done, you can take them out one by one. So the gujiyas are ready. Do try it at home and let us know how it turned out for you. Good luck and thanks for watching.